Have you ever wondered how to make money on Fiverr? Welcome to our guide, where we walk you through the ins and outs of Fiverr, a global online marketplace that's empowering freelancers and businesses alike. Fiverr is a platform that allows creative professionals from all around the world to offer their skills and services, ranging from graphic design and writing to programming and so much more. And the beauty of it all? It's a place where you can earn a steady income right from the comfort of your own home. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking for a fresh clientele or a talented newcomer ready to dive into the freelance world, Fiverr offers a versatile platform to kickstart or elevate your career. So, if you're ready to tap into a global market, to share your skills with the world and to start earning, you're in the right place. Stay tuned to find out how you can start making money on Fiverr. The first step to making money on Fiverr is setting up your account. It's a simple, straightforward process that you can complete in just a few minutes. Begin by navigating to the Fiverr homepage. Look for the Join button, typically located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on that button will open up a registration form. You can sign up using an email address, or if you prefer, you can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple account for a quicker process. Once you have registered, you'll be prompted to create a username. This is an important step as your username is your brand on Fiverr. It should be something that's easy to remember, professional, and ideally, it should give potential clients a hint about what kind of services you offer. After you've chosen your username, it's time to fill out your profile. This is your chance to tell potential clients about yourself and your skills. Be sure to be thorough and honest about your experience and qualifications. Remember, your profile is your first impression on Fiverr, so make it count. Next, you'll want to set your payment preferences. Fiverr offers several options for receiving payments, including PayPal, bank transfers, and the Fiverr Revenue Card. Choose the one that's most convenient for you, but keep in mind that some options may have fees associated with them. Finally, take the time to familiarize yourself with Fiverr's terms of service and community standards. They're designed to ensure that the platform remains a safe and fair marketplace for both buyers and sellers. Violations can result in penalties, including the suspension of your account, so it's crucial to understand and follow these guidelines. Setting up a Fiverr account is the first step on your journey to becoming a successful freelancer on the platform. It's the foundation upon which you'll build your freelance career, so take the time to do it right. Once you've set up your account, you're ready to start offering your services. Now that your account is set up, it's time to create your first gig. A gig, in the world of Fiverr, is essentially the service that you're offering. Think of it as your product on the digital shelf of this vast online marketplace. Your gig is the key to unlocking the income potential Fiverr offers. So, how do you create a gig? It's a three-step process: deciding on a service to offer, setting a price for it, and crafting a compelling gig description. First things first, you need to determine what service you'll offer. This could be anything you're skilled at, from graphic design, writing, and translation, to programming, marketing, or voiceover work. The beauty of Fiverr is its diversity. There's a market for almost any skill set. Choose something you're confident in and that you enjoy doing. Once you've decided on your service, it's time to set a price. Pricing can be tricky. You don't want to undervalue your work, but you also don't want to price yourself out of the market. A good starting point is to check out what other sellers with similar gigs are charging. This will give you an idea of the going rate. The final step is writing your gig description. This is your chance to sell your service to potential clients. Make it clear, concise, and compelling. Describe exactly what you're offering, what the client will receive, and why they should choose you over the competition. Remember, this is your sales pitch. Make it count. And there you have it. You've created your first gig. It's a significant first step on your Fiverr journey. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you can refine your gigs, experiment with pricing, and continue to hone your descriptions to attract more clients. With your gig created, you're ready to start attracting clients. Creating a gig is just the first step. Next, you need to promote it. Now you're ready to get your gig in front of potential clients. How do you do that? Let's dive in. First off, take advantage of social media. It's not just for sharing cat videos, it's a powerful tool to spread the word about your gig. Share your gig on your personal and business profiles. Post engaging content that links back to your gig. Be consistent but not spammy. Remember, you're not just selling a service, you're building a brand. Next up, SEO or search engine optimization. You might think SEO is just for websites, but it's just as crucial for your Fiverr gig. Incorporate relevant keywords in your gig title and description. Think about what your potential clients might be searching for and use those terms. This will help your gig appear in both Fiverr's internal search and search engines like Google. But don't forget about Fiverr's promotional tools. Fiverr provides several tools to help you promote your gig. For instance, the gig promotion tool allows you to advertise your gig to a larger audience within the Fiverr platform. There's also buyer requests, where you can respond to specific client needs, a great way to get your gig noticed. While promoting, always keep track of what works and what doesn't. Use Fiverr's analytics tools to see which promotional methods are driving traffic to your gig. Then, double down on those strategies. Remember, promoting your gig isn't a one-time thing, it's an ongoing process that requires time and effort. But don't get overwhelmed. Start small, test different strategies, and gradually expand your efforts as you see what works for you. In the end, it's all about getting your gig in front of the right people. The more people who see your gig, the more potential clients you have. And more clients mean more opportunities to earn. Promoting your gig effectively will help you attract more clients and make more money. Attracting clients is important, but delivering quality work is crucial. Now let's dive into how you can ensure that every piece of work you deliver is of the highest quality. This isn't just about making your clients happy, although that's certainly a big part of it. It's about building a reputation, a brand, a name for yourself in the vast digital marketplace that is Fiverr. Firstly, let's talk about deadlines. Deadlines aren't just arbitrary dates, they're promises. When you promise to deliver a project by a certain date, your client is counting on you. So make it a point to always meet your deadlines. If you're running behind, communicate that to your client as soon as possible. They may not be thrilled, but they'll appreciate your honesty. Speaking of communication, it's a crucial element of delivering quality work. Don't leave your clients in the dark. Regularly update them on your progress. Ask questions if you're unsure about anything. Clarity is key, both in understanding what your client wants and in conveying what you can deliver. Good communication can prevent misunderstandings and ensure that you and your client are on the same page. Now on to feedback. It can be tough to hear criticism, but it's an essential part of growth. Encourage your clients to provide feedback on your work. It can be a goldmine of information, helping you understand where you shine and where you need to improve. And when you do receive feedback, take it in stride. Use it as a stepping stone to better your skills and deliver even better quality work in the future. Remember, every project you complete isn't just a transaction. It's an opportunity to build a relationship with your client, to showcase your skills, and to grow as a professional. So, put in the effort, the time, and the care into each piece of work you deliver. Quality isn't an accident, it's a result of high intention, sincere effort, intelligent direction, and skillful execution. Delivering quality work will help you build a good reputation on Fiverr and attract more clients. And that, my friends, is how you succeed in the world of freelancing. So, you've set up your account, created and promoted your gig, and learned how to deliver quality work. That's right, we've covered a lot of ground today, haven't we? Let's do a quick recap to make sure we've got everything in place. First, we talked about Fiverr, the global platform that connects freelancers with clients who need their skills. We then walked you through setting up your account, a simple process that's your first step to making money on Fiverr. Next, we dived into creating a compelling gig, your ticket to attracting clients. We discussed how to promote your gig effectively, ensuring that it gets maximum visibility. Finally, we underscored the importance of delivering quality work. After all, your reputation on Fiverr hinges on the satisfaction of your clients. Remember, the journey to success on Fiverr might not be instant, but with determination, creativity, and a focus on quality, the potential is limitless. With these steps, you're well on your way to making money on Fiverr. Now it's time to get started.